I started with my wife, I was terrified. I put on a button-down shirt. I don't wear button-down shirts. And it was a PowerPoint lecture, and it was, Lita watched it, she's like, oh honey, that was kind of painful. You know, it's luckily I had that feedback, and finally just be unapologetically you know, and for us it was embrace the chaos. We have so many redeems, like sound alerts that you can trigger, animations that run across the screen. And so, because it can be dry, right? If I'm talking about genetically engineering a mosquito, I might find it cool, but maybe no one else does. So maybe occasionally it's time to hit the panic button, show off some flashing lights, we reset, we have a chuckle, and we go back to it. But it all depends on, you know, your community, your audience, and what makes you happy. Like, how are you really pushing forth the science that you're excited about, and the community will come after. They'll see your passion. And so just, you know, be you.